Welcome to Wishlist Guru app tutorial where we will discuss about the collection page and its customization in the admin panel. This is the collection page, or as we like to call it, the catalog. It shows the collection of the favorite item chosen. To make all the customization for your collection page, you will first need to go to the admin panel and click on the collection settings. Here you can customize your wishlist icon or button as per what you have chosen, that is either the icon or button for your collection page. You can customize all styles and hard icon style from below, like icon outline, icon solid, circle icon outline, and circle icon solid. Next is the icon settings, where there is position of the icon as shown. Then we can change the icon size. There is a default background color, and you can also see the selected background color here. Then we have the icon default color and the icon selected color. You can quick add the icon or button for add to wishlist on collection page and home page, and can add below code in your card product liquid file. You will need to replace product ID with your theme product ID variable used on your respective page. After all these changes, you can click on save and can later see the changes in the storefront. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such videos regarding different features and settings of Wishlist Guru app.